Alright YouTube, here's the PowerPro 4 horsepower Quantnum powered by a Briggs large displacement engine. I still do have this mower. It is a push mower. It is not self-propelled. It does not get very much use. Has not been started in probably over 6 months, so I'm going to go ahead and do a cold start for you guys. It is about 40 degrees out right now. So it started up in 2 poles. You can always rely on a Briggs. I like this mower, but it's not self-propelled, so it really does not get used very often. I might sell it next year, I don't know, maybe to get it self-propelled, but in the meantime, it's still running great, so who knows. Thanks for watching, YouTube.